Universities today face a big challenge. The world is changing faster than ever before. Employers are looking for people who can do more than just pass tests. They want graduates who can solve real problems. They need team players who can think creatively and bring new ideas to life. Traditional lectures and textbooks are important, but they are not always enough. Students need to get their hands dirty. They need to learn by doing, not just by listening. This is where a new kind of learning comes into play, one that builds a bridge between the classroom and the real world. This need for practical experience is not a secret. Students themselves are asking for it. They want their education to feel relevant to the lives they will lead after graduation. They want to see how their studies in history, biology, engineering can make a difference. So, what exactly is an innovation academy? Think of it as a central hub on campus, a special place dedicated to bringing ideas to life. It's not just one classroom or one department. It is a dynamic ecosystem that pulls together people, programs, and resources from all across the university. The main goal is simple: to give students opportunities to work on meaningful projects. These projects can range from starting a new business to designing a public art installation or developing a new technology for a local company. The Academy provides the support system to make it all happen. The heart of an innovation academy is its physical space. This is not your typical library or study hall. It's a place designed for action. You might find a workshop filled with 3D printers, laser cutters, and woodworking tools. Next door, there could be a high-tech lab with advanced computers for coding and data analysis. There are also open, flexible rooms where teams can meet, brainstorm on whiteboards, and present their ideas. So, how does this actually work in practice? Let's look at a few examples. First, imagine a team of students working with a local food bank. The food bank has a real problem. They struggle to manage their inventory and distribute food efficiently to people in need. Through the Innovation Academy, a team is formed with students from logistics, computer science, and social work. Guided by a faculty mentor and the Academy staff, the team spends a semester developing a simple software application. This app helps the food bank track donations and deliveries, reducing waste and ensuring food gets to families faster. The students get course credit, a powerful piece for their portfolio, and the satisfaction of making a real difference. Here is another example: supporting local entrepreneurs. A small business owner wants new eco-friendly packaging, but lacks resources for R&D. She connects with the Innovation Academy. A student team from materials science and graphic design takes on the challenge. They use the Academy's labs to test different sustainable materials. They use the design studio to create a beautiful and functional package. One of the most important principles of a great innovation academy is access for all. Innovation is not just for engineering students or business majors. A great idea can come from anyone, anywhere. It can come from a history student or a nursing student. A successful academy must be a welcoming place for every single student. It must actively break down barriers that prevent participation. Many students face very real financial pressures. They may need to work 1 or 2 jobs to pay for tuition and living expenses. They simply cannot afford unpaid internships or long-term volunteer projects. Effective innovation academies address this head-on. They offer paid internships, provide stipends for community project students, and cover costs of materials and supplies. This financial support enables participation across economic backgrounds. Beyond money, other barriers exist. Some students feel intimidated, thinking they're not creative or technical enough. To counter this, academies offer programs for all skill levels. Beginner workshops on 3D printing, coding, public speaking. They host open houses and tours to demystify the space and tools. The evidence is clear. The evidence is clear. Innovation academies are not just a trendy addition to a university campus. They are a fundamental shift in how we approach higher education. They transform the student learning experience by connecting academic knowledge to real-world action. They empower students to become confident problem solvers, collaborators, and leaders. They build powerful bridges between the university and the surrounding community, creating a cycle of mutual benefit. Students gain invaluable skills and experienced faculty discover new avenues for research and mentorship, and the region gains a dynamic engine for growth and positive change. To make this vision a reality, we need commitment from university leaders. Building and sustaining an innovation academy requires a clear plan and dedicated resources. This starts with providing the right physical space, new building, renovated corner of campus. It requires a budget for a small but mighty staff team that can manage the programs and support the students. Sustainable funding is key. The university's own budget, generous donors who believe in the mission, research grants, contributions from corporate and community partners. Support for faculty is also non-negotiable.